Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the second Tuesday of the month of April 2025, and that means that we have Patch Tuesday, the security updates that are mandatory for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And for Windows 11, if you haven't installed the bug fixing updates, the update previews, they are installed automatically with this update today. So in Windows 10, if you update, you'll be receiving KB508-2200, and the build number that you'll finish with is 19045.7184. Of course, this is the updates for those that are on the extended support for Windows 10 that you'll be receiving. You'd have no bug fixing updates per se because those don't exist anymore. But sometimes there are still some bug fixes that will be inside this update. So there could be, and I believe there are a few bug fixes that are coming through this update for Windows 10 as well as your security updates. And we'll look in details of what are the security updates this month in a separate video. On Windows 11, if you go to your settings and to Windows Update, you should be getting the updates. And here I already installed it. So I got security update KB508-3769, and this brings your build to 26100 or 26200, depending if you're on Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, and the ending is 8246. This means you are up to date. I did get a .NET Framework update also with this update this month. That was KB508-2417. So that is not necessarily everybody that gets it. It depends. And I had another one here, .NET 8.0.26 also. The important is really the security update, the main security update for April 2026. So we'll be looking at all of the details of what's in there in the next video and checking out all the security updates that have arrived at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.